बालमित्रांनो, मी निलिमा कदम, तुमची व्हर्च्युअल शिक्षिका. 8वी गणित, स्टँडर्ड 8 मॅथ्स, फॅक्टरायझेशन ऑफ अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन्स, बैजिक राशींचे अवयव. Life is just like math. For every complex situation and equation, there is a solution. So let's find out the solution for any situation. या ठिकाणी बघा, a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is a trinomial. ही त्रिपदी आहे आणि ही त्रिपदी आपल्याला आपण जेव्हा द्विपदीचा विस्तार करतो a minus b whole square किंवा a plus b whole square, ही द्विपदी आहे. द्विपदीचा आपण वर्ग करतो. When we expand a binomial, we will get trinomial. काय करायचंय? So we have to find out the factors of a quadratic trinomial. Now what is quadratic? X square. Here x square, this is a quadratic, and so an expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic trinomial. See, this is a trinomial. 3 terms are there and the degree of this trinomial is 2. So this is a quadratic trinomial. Now ax square plus bx अधिक c या बैजिक राशीला आपण काय म्हणतो? वर्ग त्रिपदी असे म्हणतो. Dear students, in the last video we have seen the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. What is the expansion of x plus a into x plus b? This is a binomial, multiplication of binomials, and when we multiply these two binomials we will get a trinomial, that is x square plus a plus bx into ab. So आपण let's make it उलटा. आपण उलट करूया ह्याला. That is the factors of trinomial x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to, automatically we will get factors as x plus a into x plus b. So today we will find out the factors of a quadratic trinomial. Let's take one example. A square plus 8a plus 16. Now ही जी आहे बघा, a square अधिक 8a अधिक 16. बघा, ह्या दोन द्विपदींचा गुणाकार आपल्याला ही त्रिपदी मिळाली. या त्रिपदीचे अवयव आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहेत? या द्विपदी मिळणार आहेत. तर अशाच प्रकारे या त्रिपदीचे आपण आज अवयव पाडणार आहोत. सुरुवातीला आपण a square अधिक 8a अधिक 16 या त्रिपदीची तुलना आपण कशा बरोबर करूया? या त्रिपदी बरोबर करू. बघा, ही जी त्रिपदी आहे x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, याच्या बरोबर याची तुलना करू आणि मग आपण बघा काय आहे, a अधिक b म्हणजेच इथे काय आहे? 8 आहे. बरोबर. फर्स्ट टर्म x, here also x. So first term a, here a. Therefore we will get a plus b equal to 8 and ab means here we will get ab is equal to 16. बरोबर. तर a अधिक b बरोबर 8 आणि ab बरोबर आपल्याला 16 मिळालं. आता a अधिक b बरोबर 8 म्हणजेच a आणि b ची किंमत काय असावी की जेणेकरून या दोघांची बेरीज 8 येईल आणि गुणाकार 16 येईल. Their addition is 8 and multiplication will be 60. So what would be a? What is the value of a and what will be the value of b? So a equal to 4 and b is equal to 4. Got it? Right? Now आता आपल्याला a आणि b च्या किमती मिळाल्या, आपण शोधून काढल्या याच्यावरून. So try to write down this trinomial as this in the form of this trinomial, that is a square plus 8a means what? 4a plus 4a, because ax plus bx, right? So I have written it as 4a plus 4a. and this is AB means plus 16. Now plus 16 means what? A is 4, B is 4. So let's write it down. A square plus 4A plus 4A plus 4 into 4. Now this is consider one binomial and this is another binomial. Now let's find out what are the common in both these binomials. First, in first case, what is the common? A. And in second, what number will common? 4 number is common. So let's take common from each of these factors, that is A into A plus 4 plus here 4 into here A is remaining A plus 4. Now again A plus 4 is common in whole these, that is equal to A plus 4 into here A plus 4 is common, so here A is remaining and plus A, again A plus 4 is common, so 4 is remaining. So factors of A square plus 8A plus 16 is equal to A plus 4 into A plus 4. Okay. Let's take another example. X square minus 10x plus 9. Now here A plus B equal to minus 10 and AB is equal to 9. Now dear students, see here the last term, that is 9. Try to find out the factors of these 9. Now what are the factors of 9? Now expected factors of 9 are minus 9 into minus 1. Minus minus become plus. 3 3s are 9 and 9 1s are 9. Now out of these 3, which is the correct one? Only the one pair is the correct factors. तर हे कसे ओळखायचे? बघा, here minus 10 and here plus 9. So minus minus आपण जेव्हा ऋण ऋण करतो तेव्हा त्याची बेरीज करतो आणि चिन्ह मोठ्या संख्येचं. So minus minus we will add, so it will become minus 10, sign of the greater number, therefore minus 10, and minus into minus multiplication, in minus minus it becomes plus, therefore the correct factors will be minus 9 into minus 1. Okay, तर आता आपण x square minus 10x plus 9 ही त्रिपदी या स्वरूपात लिहूया आपण, that is equal to, see here a equal to minus 9, b equal to minus 1. Therefore x square minus 9x minus x plus 9. Okay, last term as it is we have written, first term as it is we have written. See here, only the middle term we have split up into minus 9 into minus 9x and minus x. Okay, now take these first two terms, x square minus 9x minus 1x plus minus 9 means what are the factors? Minus 9 into minus 1. Now take these two terms and these two terms. In these two terms x is common and here minus 1 is common. So we will take minus x common, that is x into x minus 9. Here minus 1 common, x plus and minus minus 9. Now again x minus 9 is common. So factors will be x minus 9 and x minus 1. Therefore the factors of x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to x minus 9 and x minus 1. Okay. Sum a square minus 7a minus 44. Let's find out the factors of minus 44. Minus 11 into 4, 11 into minus 4. Minus 11 plus 4 minus plus, we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. 11 minus 4 is 7, sign of the greater number, therefore minus 7. And minus into plus minus 44. Okay, therefore minus 11 into 4. Now let's split the middle term, that is minus 7a. First a equal to minus 11, b equal to 4. First term as it is, middle term we are splitting, that is minus 11a plus 4a, and last term as it is. Now let's write down this a square minus 11a plus 4a plus minus 11 into 4. 44 as minus 11 into 4. Now in first these two terms and these two terms. Okay. Here a common. Here 4 will be common. That is equal to a into a minus 11. Here 4 common plus 4 into a minus 11. Again a minus 11 common. See here. Therefore a minus 11 and remaining a plus 4. Therefore the factors of a square minus 7a minus 44 is equal to a minus 11 and a plus 4. Now 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Now look at this example. Here 5 is common, right? Okay. So taking the common factor 5 throughout, so 5 will come out and it will remain 5 into y square plus y minus 2. 5 to the 10. Now find out the factors. The third term will be, what is the constant term? Minus 2. So let's find out the factors of minus 2. Minus 2 into 1 or 2 into minus 1. Now we want here plus 1. Okay, here only y is there, means 1 y is there. Now plus 1 we want, therefore 2 minus 1, that is plus 1. So let's write down the factors. This will be the factors: a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1. First 5, y square as it is. 1y will be split up into plus 2y minus y. And minus 2 as it is, bracket completed. Okay. Now 5 into y square plus 2y minus minus 1y plus 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 we will write it as 2 into minus 1. Now let's take common y here, and here minus 1 will be common. Therefore 5 as it is, in the bracket y, again y common. So y plus 2 minus 1 will be common, and here y plus 2, bracket completed. Now this 5 will be as it is into y plus 2 again common into y minus 1. So bracket completed. Therefore the factors of 5y square plus 5y minus 10 will be 5 into y plus 2 into y minus 1. Now 2x square plus 5x minus 18. Now first we find the product of the coefficient of the square term and the constant term. When there is the coefficient with the square term, we have to multiply this term with the constant term. That is 2 into 18, that is 36. Now the last term will be not minus 18, we have to consider it as minus 36. Remember, the product is considered as the last term. Now what are the factors of minus 36? 18 to the 36, minus 18 into 2 or 18 into minus 2, 9 4 are therefore minus 9 plus 4, 9 into minus 4. Now what are the correct? Plus 5 we want, therefore plus 9 minus 4, we will get plus 5. So let's write down 2x square first term as it is, plus 5x we will split up as plus 9x minus 4x, and last term as it is minus 18. Now again we will split like this: 2x square plus 9x minus 4x means 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. Because here, see here, x will be common and here 2 will be common. So x into 2x plus 9, here minus 2 common, remaining 2x. This minus sign will come out, so it will become plus 9. Okay, so 2x plus 9 will be common and x minus 2. So factors of 2x square plus 5x minus 18 is equal to 2x plus 9 into x minus 2. Another example, same first 16 because coefficient will be there with the square term, and here 9y square. Now see, remember the middle term will be here, variable is x, here variable is y, so middle term variables are x, y. Okay, now 16 into 9, that is 144, factors of 144. What are the factors of 144? 12 12s are 44. So 12 plus, either both plus 12 or both minus. Minus minus become plus. 16 9s are both plus or both minus. So minus 12 we will get minus 24. Minus minus we are adding. So first term as it is, 24xy we will split like minus 12xy minus 12xy. Last term as it is. Now 16x square we will write it as 4 into 4x square. 12 we will write as 3 into 4. Here again 3 into 4, and 9y square means 3y into 3y. Now 4x, here 4x will be common. So remaining 4x, 4x and minus 3y because x is common here. Here 3y will be common. So 4x minus 3y. Again 4x minus 3y bracket is common and remaining 4x minus 3y. Therefore factors of this quadratic trinomial are 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y. Now fill in the blanks. This type of sum is given and we have to fill the remaining terms. Now to the here, again there is a coefficient with the square term and last constant, therefore we have to multiply, that is 2 into 45, that is 90. So minus 90 we have to take factors of minus 90, that is minus 10 or plus 9 or plus 10 minus 9, and this will give you plus 1. Which one? Plus 10 minus 9. So plus 10x minus 9x. Now 2x square as it is, 2 into 5x minus 9x. Again 45 we have to split up as minus 9 into 5. Now here what is common? 2 and x. Okay. So 2x in the bracket x plus 5. Again here what will be common? Minus 9 x plus 5. Now again x plus 5 will be common. Remaining 2x minus 9. And therefore factors of 2x square plus x minus 45 will be x plus 5 and 2x minus 9. Okay. Thank you.